Okay, yeah, so unfortunately, the computer crashed yung huling stream. Pero finally, we're here in the resolve. So, battle for top 4 currently happening. So, the winner of this match will be fighting Sisig kasi tatlo silang top battle for top 4 si Milski, I am Riskmaker, and Sisig. So, after this game, itong one game na to, the winner will then face Sisig. And then yung mananalo between the winner and Sisig will automatically be top 4. So, yun ang napagkasunduan. And that's what we're doing right now. So, yeah, Riskmaker doing his thing again. Pagiging cheesy niya. So, wait time. I'm gonna join in Discord with Zenith. Gonna close my browser para bawas lag. And yeah, with Zenith right now, we'll solve itong top 4.
So nagkaroon pa ng chance si Risk-Taker dahil dun sa laban nilang dalawa. No?
Right. And actually, like, kung nanalo si Riskmaker kanina, baka siya na yung top 4.
Okay. Kanino siya natalo kasi?
Talo siya kay Petix. 6-1.
Okay, interesting.
So, okay, Riskmaker being standard, though.
Oo, standard. Okay.
Problem lang, nag-touch siya ng probes. Risk rin, kinda late factory. And he took out an SCV, so hindi yan true factory, definitely. And weird timings. Very weird timings.
Oh, yeah.
So, Milski will try to face down this probe. Marine is out, so hindi na basta-basta makaka-scout sa yung probe.
Ernest,
And-
nakatakas yung...
Right. Yung si Riskmaker naman, no upgrade so far. Cybernetics 4.
Babalik pa.
Namang kaso wala naman forge. Kaya, baka-bluff. Baka natakot si Milski sa Zelot. Look at that. Blocking the ramp. Yung SCV. And Dragoon Opener. Uy. Uy.
Boy, this is new.
Risk is being standard.
Kaso hindi umiilaw yung Nexus mo. Risk-Taker.
Oo nga taking risk by not lighting up the Nexus. Yun na, bunker is gonna be built here probably.
Feeling ko magpupush siya. 4 na marine. Okay. Bunker.
So yung fourth marine yan, siguro pang lang. Ala! Look, Bilski is making a fifth marine.
Mag-early push siya.
Mukhang mag-push siya and this bunker is going to be a bluff. Meanwhile, si Risk, adding Robo, one base. And Bilski will get intel. Lako, hindi namatay and Riskmaker was able to block the SCV from getting more info. So now, Risk has 3 Dragoons.
Actually, dangerous na yung 3 dragon na yan eh.
I don't think makaka-push si Milski dito. Wala pa siyang mines.
Okay. Citadel.
Ayan na. Mukhang
Ayan
DT
na.
drop.
Knowing Risk-Taker, feeling ko itatank niya yung mga dragon and then ilulusot niya yung...
Pero kasi may robo eh. Why would you make a robo and then Citadel? So this is looking like
sa bagay.
castle.
May robo pala. Okay, yep.
unless may sarili siyang build na naman. Hindi natin. Obs!
Told ya!
Obs, Kemper. What?
Oh no. Dangerous to. Dangerous team composition.
So yan na. Yes, actually, ang daming
May
marines
Milski.
tank na damage. Problema lang, si Risk could not get the range and could not lose more dragoons kasi magas sa gas. The fourth dragoon is out.
Pwede. Kung apat na dragons
Milski being too forward with the vulture. Ako po. Milski just wasting that vulture.
Uy, sayang!
Second
Ay,
vulture's
isa pa.
out. Another suicide, bundi ka na.
May isang suicide na dragon naman.
Oo nga eh, salitan sila ng suicide eh.
Oops, anong gagawin niya?
Diretso lang, dapat dumiretso lang si Minsky dito if wants to push. Pero Minsky has to also have, ayun, may engineering bay na. Okay, ayun, Minsky is going for the push. Let's see if aabot yung Dark Templar in time kasi meron ng Templar Archives.
Oh no, may mines na. Ay, nice mine drive.
Nice mind drag, killing Marines kasi yun na nga. Two gates naman si Risk, no? But Minsky is going up the ramp. May dito na. Minsky is gonna hold this. Minsky is gonna hold. Kailangan niya. Okay, may vines. That's kinda gonna help against DT. Kaya lang. Minsky is just gonna try to get damage at the end. Smartly. Pulling back. Sabi ko lang pulling back. Hindi siya pull back. Siguro si Minsky will just gonna start the turrets.
Oh no! Hindi niya nakita may mines doon.
May ob siya pero hindi niya ginamit. Ako po.
Oo.
Wala pa rin turret si Minsky, so kampante pa siya doon, I guess.
Hindi na naman, sayang yung mga...
DT got taken down by Mines again. Minsky just trying to be aggressive dito. Trying to see the deal. Now, Minsky still rallying, Vultures out. Trying to micro multitask, no? Pero,
daming damage ng mga mines.
yes, and somehow, Minsky is still up and running. I guess gagawa pa siya ng more Dark Templars here. Kasi wala pa naman scanner si Minsky. Hindi sensitive.
Ayan, oo.
Minsky is just gonna try to get out of probes. Sabi, good idea kill muna yung Marine. Yan. Sabi no, dami nakatambay na SCV right now. Minsky just try to focus. The tank is taken down. Hindi na. Grabe na yung damage actually kay Risk. Risk is very behind. Loko, ilan ng probes.
Ubos.
Yan, finally, yan. Ahead na dito si Minsky. Actually, kailangan na mag-macro up ni Minsky. Then maybe get the scans, get a vessel. Dito pa lang ahead na siya. Now getting more turrets. And,
Pero syempre, Protoss yan.
yes, sir.
Protoss being Protoss.
Anything can happen. Pero super behind. Looking at, diyan pa lang sa economy eh. Diyan pa lang, masabi mo na lamang talaga si Minsky dito. But the game is not yet over. Again, Protoss is Protoss. Overall, well executed push by Minsky. And yun nga, if nag-double factory si Minsky dito, wala siyang engineering bay. And those DTs could do even greater damage. Pero yun na, shuttle. Pero look at Minsky, no? Prevention talaga is better than pure. Double turret in the natural. And double turret in the main.
Wow, nice.
Gurista.
Oo. Since kilala niya yung kalaban niya, si Risk. So, siguro naglaban na rin yung dalawa na to nung ilang times na.
Yeah, most definitely. And shuttle trying to sneak. Pero ano eh, like, dapat si Risk anticipate na niya na probably magkaka-engineering bay kasi may idea na si Risk na may eBay, so he should anticipate there's gonna be some scans or turrets up. Kumbaga, respect na alam na ng Terran. Pwede mong gawin. Now, okay, Command Center Starport, siguro gusto niya kumuha ng science facility ASAP, now adding more factories. And look, may mga counting mines si Minsky sa loob ng base. Yan na. Finally, Shuttle getting inside the base of Minsky. And Minsky sees that shuttle. And yan na. Dark Templars going in to kill the turrets. And scanner, may scan na si Minsky. Milski is very ready. Kung namatay yung turrets, Dark Templar got taken down. Kung meron pang mines, gonna trigger na ko. Yeah, Milski is gonna hold this. ET only kills.
Wala.
Turrets lang, dalawang turrets. And wala yata nang patay na SCV, no? Ay, may tank pala isa. Yeah. Now, Risk is very behind. Stargate, nako. When behind, go carrier. Ganun si Risk eh. When behind, go carrier. And then, hoping mabagal ang kalaban. Pero, Risk is not mabagal.
Pag sa mga ganitong situation, I guess, wag ka muna mag-carrier kasi nga one base ka lang eh.
Kung ako siguro, like, i-risk yung double expand.
Double expand, yes.
And then, hoping na hindi makapitalize agad ng kalaban. I think yun yung pinaka-realistic.
Dalawang Mega Ninja. Double expand.
Siguro isang expo din, isang ninja. Kasi kung double ninja, isa suspect na yan eh. Like, hanapin ko, ba't wala pang natural to?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Pero
yes,
naghahanap yung vulture ng mga endboss.
ito, kasi nga, alam na niya, kilala niya si Risk.
Yep.
Even though, super ahead though, ilan lang yung army. May idea na actually si Milski kung gaano kaliit yung army ni Risk.
Oh, kaya na niyang patayin. 70 versus 25.
Sobrang layo. Grabe yung economic damage. And yan.
Parang probe count lang yata yun. Saan pupunta tong shuttle na to?
Right now, may natural ni si Risk. Meron ding high temper to cast one storm. Hindi ko napansin if nag-research ka ng Ionic Storm.
Okay, napaka-konti ng yung saturation ng probe niya, no?
Yeah, well, kasi nag-damage yan siya grabe. The Vultures here just gonna lay mines as he should sa map. Kita nyo eh, like, yung mga Terrans natin sa casual, alam nila gagawin kapag photos kalaban. Compared sa pag-Zerg, like yung ginawa ni Miski kanina. I don't know what happened there.
Si Sisig parang kryptonite ng mga Terran.
Kryptonite ng mga Terran eh. No? Sa WTF ako actually sa mga ginawa ni Sisig kanina, pero it is what it is. Same time, mga Protoss natin nag-struggle. Yes, Terrans and oy! Dilagpasan
Oh
yung
no!
Templar. Nakita na
Pasok
ni Milski.
kayo. San Gyupsal ng probe.
Nakita na ni Milski ang tech. It's probably gonna attack very soon. Kasi nga, this beacon is actually signal, ano yan eh, bad signal yan kay, mga Terran eh.
And going for armory. Meron na siyang armory. For sure, Goliath na ilalabas niya.
Definitely mag-start na yung mag-pump Goliaths and get the range. Actually, he can go for the push. Kailangan lang niya, ilabas na yung units. May mass cans naman siya. Or any Dark Templars. And yeah, I think, ilan na naubos na probe. A reasonable amount of probes din. Nakuha si Milski kay Risk and of course, reducing that mining time. And nag-photon cannon si Risk. Not sure if this is a good idea. Pero okay lang, isa, dalawa. Not so much kasi those tanks will just siege, kill all those photon cannons.
Yes.
Merong mga spotter na probe. Si Risk outside. Yung shuttle na sa lower left pa rin, AFK. And there's this dropship. Hindi ko na-check
Merong
Manila
map.
man.
I think vultures and tanks din.
Yeah, but let's see. Nag-start na yung carrier production ni Risk. Ito sa Metropolis, very common na drop. Kasi nga, itong spot na to. Wala ko mag-drop. Si Risk na tank dito. On the high ground. He's gonna siege.
Okay.
Makaka-damage siya before the tanks get slaughtered. Yan na.
Babam.
The manages to only get a few probes. So this, again, gonna cause some delayed mining time. Fight the Risk. Wala siyang choice but to deal with this tank. May siyang storm, but he has to be careful. Now, Dragoons are being pulled back. Oh, this part. High Templar. Makakakas kaya ng storm.
Point mo.
Isang storm lang ang nakast, unfortunately. And look, tinarget ni Milski. Hindi ko alam kung sinadya ni Milski target yung gas. I guess okay lang din. Target gas, pero I don't know.
Para sa carrier. Yeah.
Pero parang better na dinerecho na sa Nexus kasi wala naman nagmamine. Yung opinion ko ay 2 shots might matter later. Itong shuttle actually pwede gamitin ng risk. Drop siya on top of the tanks. Let's see kung gano'n ang gagawin niya.
I think ganun yung gagawin niya.
And I think maki-clear yung tanks before could even kill the Nexus. Yun na nga, let's see. Okay, yun na nga, nag-matter nga yung targeting.
Woo! Muntik na yung Nexus.
Diba? It mattered yung by killing this Nexus na lang first for the simulator, diba? So after all, it mattered after all. Decision.
Tama.
Pero, despite that, Milski is still ahead. Nakita na niya definitely yung carrier is out. That one flying banana is out. Pero you know,
Parang hindi makadaan yung mga probe ni
Okay.
Rustig. Pabalik.
Masyadong choke up. Shinatel.
Shinatel na lang.
Shell, ano, nag-elevator. This Nexus is just, siguro i-finish up ni, Milski isang follow-up attack. The Nexus.
Okay, kaya rin siguro hindi naka-respawn na kaagad kasi sarado yung base niya. Pangit yung SimCity niya.
Right, siguro the
Ayan
reason,
na naman.
Yan na, the drop si Milski. Hindi ka na ma-take down ang dropship. Grabe, Milski just it's ruining the day. Ruining the...
Grabe si Milski.
Hindi niya hinahayaan mag-enjoy yung photos. I mean, gano'n naman dapat as Terran eh. Kasi pag pina-enjoy yung photos, you're doing a bad job. Yan, he's targeting down probes.
Boost sa probe.
Hurting Risk economy real bad. Pero naging ninja base right now si Risk sa lower left. Pero sana kanina pa. All 2 carriers are out.
Layo na ang lamang.
Okay. A-move na lang kailangan gawin ni Milski.
Ayan na yung mga Goliath.
30
Ayan
upgrades
na.
are.
Move out na.
This one attack is up.
May science vessel na rin. Kompleto na.
Grabe, talagang nag-improve yung macro ni Milski. Look at that.
Kaya nga, ang feeling ko match sa talaga nila ni Unswa.
Kasi Unswa rin eh. Actually, nag-ano siya eh. Alam mo, kung manalo si Milski dito, like, let's say, if Milski wins this and then wins against Sisig, sila yung mag-face off sa ni Unswa, EVT. So, it's gonna be double mirror for the semifinals. So, chance bumawi ni Milski doon. If manalo siya dito again, di pa tapos yung game.
May 1 week.
May disconnects din. Consider.
Pwede.
And may 4th base na pala si Milski dito. Ngayon ko lang napansin. Kasi dapat Milski should attack mo. Huwag na niya patagalin. Kasi every time na hinahaya mo photos ng farm is, second, diba? Every time pinabayaan mo,
Playing with his food. Kaya nga na.
pwede. Pero I mean, tawag dito, may term yun sa English eh. Every second that goes by is another step to victory for photos yun. Parang ganun. So, nag-suicide ng Goliaths. What the...
Yan yung checker niya. Taga-check.
Oh, pero Goliaths may vultures naman. So, yan na. Going forward na si Milski. Milski
Yung
could end the
unti-unti
game.
niya no?
Ay, hindi niya sinagad. Oo, sa
Oo.
Milski.
Yun na nga. Unti-unti niya. Because of carriers siguro. Pero wala eh. Dito na siya magdududa. Mag-i-scan na to. Mga ninja bases.
Yung ginagawa ni Milski, lol. If yung army nyo, glitch may orbs, mamaya, hindi niya ginagawa
Pilit
talaga.
hindi. Dito. Dito. Dami nito eh. Max out na yung units niya eh. Yung sa limit na siya eh.
Ayan na, okay. Finally. Finally, Mills.
Ayan. May pa-surprise effect pala.
Oh. Nice, motherfucker.
Surprise, mother.
Come on, GG na.
GG na. So it looks like Sisig and Milski again.
Okay.
Okay.
That's for Milski to redeem himself. Kasi grabe.
Na-rush ka mga Zergling. Round 2. Maganda yung laban. Oops, may mga DTs. Wala na yan. Ay, gusto ko rin kay Risk eh. Never give up. Hanggat may probe.
Yung kanta niya ni ano eh. Ni kanina. Ni Rick Alpalo. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down.
Rickroll.
Parang,
Rickroll yata yung tawag.
oh, pero
Ano ba yun?
yung mismo artist, alam niya,
Di ko alam.
hindi naman Ricky Martin. Kasi
Well
ibang
natin.
tao yun.
Rick Astley.
Yun,
Yeah.
Ashley pala.
Rick
Nasamahin ko agad Ricky Martin pero hindi siya yun, ibang tao yun.
Hindi.
Na sir, GG na to.
So, maybe Milski is wondering bakit wala pang GG. Diba?
Yeah.
Nasa kanya na yung buong map. Pero bakit wala pang GG?
Hindi na malaya na may Dark Templar, oh. Maubos yung supply ni Miski. Miski hindi na macro. It's the problem when you're ahead, tapos suddenly naging complacent. You know,
Ayun, nakita na yung ninja base.
and hindi naman malaya ni Milski na hinaharas siya ng Dark Templar. May kulay.
Marami na. Ilang kills na ba yan? 8 kills. Saka 10. 18 units kills.
Dapat
Walang
ano
alam. Kaya
eh,
mga
trigger
DPs
kasi
na
ng
pa.
under attack eh. Trigger ng under attack, then suddenly, uy ano to? Command center pala siya dito, then kaya kay Milski, hindi nagpo-pump ng units. Hindi umiilaw ang factories. I don't know, bumaba na naman ang APM ni Milski. Look at that.
Feeling ko may ginagawa si Milski is either baka nakakarga yung anak niya. One hand lang ang gamit niya.
Yeah, pero that could cost him the game. Ito rin yung same scenario nangyari nung kalaban niya si Sisig. Parang suddenly, ahead siya, then he just threw the game.
Gusto. Unit.
Ayan na.
Yan. Wala yan. So, yan na.
So, hindi naman nagpo-pump ng units si Milski. I don't know what's going on.
Ayun na, bumilis na yung APM niya. Pero may mga Dark Templars.
Yeah. And the clear ni Risk, hindi pa makakancel yung CC.
12,000 yung
Kasi
wala na. Pero wala na to. Kahit sabihin na natin kumpleto pa yung carrier. Wala na.
alam mo, ganyan yung nangyari actually sa game 2 nila ni Sisig kanina. Then nanalo si
Okay.
Sisig. Okay, no kidding. You'll see the replay. Nandito pa sa Twitch. 7 days to expire. And, dropship. Na-drop from Goliaths. Ladong dropship.
So si Risk, mga kaibigan.
Lamang si Milski pero he's too slow to capitalize.
Ay.
Let's see, upgrades. Okay, 3-2 Goliaths. Napakalakas na ng upgrades. And Dark Templar, so yeah, Risk, you can see Risk is still holding on, no? Ayaw sumuko kasi nga again, it's a very crucial battle laban ng top 4 to. So, completely understand si Risk trying to really hold on dito. Pero like realistically, no, if no-control na maayos ni Milski yung troops na, this game could have been over.
Yep.
But he is just dying to DTs.
Asan na ba yung ano niya? Vessel niya.
Goliaths, what in the world? Goliaths not being controlled.
Ayan na, ayan na.
Control carriers for Risk, pero mahuhold ko ba niya to?
Wala.
Honestly, pag mahold to ni Risk, ewan ko na lang. Yes, this is a very impossible to spot to win. As Protoss. Yun na, tinarget fire na ni Milski. 2 carriers.
GG.
Di pa tapos. Ayoko na mag-conclude kasi like yung nangyari kina Sisig and Milski, akala ko GG na, pero I mean sometimes being too slow GG benefits you kasi nga akala ng kalaban. And yun,
There you go.
si Riz. So official GG. Yeah, Milski just talagang overpowered. Riz right there. Si Riz sayang kanina kung hindi ko gusto yung carrier follow up. Instead, dapat sana nag-double expand na lang. Yun yung one thing that could have kept him in the game. I mean, hindi longer, no? Pero put him in a better position.
Hindi pa rin nawawala yung comfort zone niya sa carrier.
So wala, yeah. Yun ang problem is Risk is just choosing na ulit-ulit na carriers even though it's becoming too predictable kasi kilala siya ng mga hero
Yun
niya.
nga, very predictable. Sa either Petchay, DT, carrier. Yan.
So now finally we're moving on to last game between Risk and Sisig.
Again. Alright.
Risk and Sisig, sorry, Milski and Sisig. Ay, Milski versus So, ang map natin, Tom Goods na ako eh. Hindi ko pang i-ano sa iyo yung casting habang kumakain. Polypoid. Actually, ayaw ni Milski sa map na to eh, Polypoid. Pero dito tayo napunta.
Polypoid. Pinoy Poid. Also known as Pinoy Poid. Ang pambansa map ng bayan. Wait lang. Join lang ako.
Alright. So, the winner of this match,
Siya yung fourth.
winner of the game, game pala. The official top 4. Now's your chance to redeem yourself.
Advance rush.
Hindi, magiging ano talaga. Crown as the Terran Killer. Si,
Sisig.
Easy. Okay. Home game.
Yes. Naka-stream.
Yeah, okay. So, GG, well played. Yes. Pero yun, I think okay na yung ano eh, intention ng DT. Kaya lang, madedefend na niya. Okay na sana eh.
Mm.
But, pinilit niya yung Stargate. No, parang, parang, parang feeling niya yun yung pinaka-solution. But the real solution was talaga ano eh, is macro.
Double expand.
So, and talagang,
Isugal.
right, kung ako, ganun gagawin. And yung ano, fix the macro talaga, yung pinaka-fundamentals na mechanics. Yun talaga
Kasi
yung
nga,
panalo.
Protoss yan eh. So, double expand. Bigla ka na lang. After a few minutes, lamang ka na kagad.
Right. And I think, ewan ko lang syempre hindi natin alam. Sabi kasi hindi niya ginawa. Pero, yun, with enough. Okay. Okay. Yun na.
Ayun
Ang
na.
dami. Itong game na to eh, ano talaga eh, bragging rights to eh. Maliban sa bragging
Oo.
rights.
Yeah.
Bragging rights, parang talaga bang panalo si Sisi ko, kineso lang siya, yung mga ganun. Sisig versus Milski.
Medyo controversial tong ano na to, laban na to.
Yan na. Genius ni Milski. Yan na. Go.
Sisig the Terran Killer?
Or Milski. Redeemer. Redeemer. Parang hindi ibang context. Anyway. Yes,
Feeling ko
here.
ang game ni Milski dito is magkukulong siya dito.
Let's see. So spawning here on the lower left side of the map, Milski, our yellow Terran player, and on the upper left side of the map, our blue third player, PC. This is more of a redemption game sa side ni Milski kasi nga, kinanood yung replay, he's probably frustrated on losing just like that. Kasi panalo talaga siya dun, then WTF, how could he have lost that position? In my mind though, again, probably kasi, alam mo yun, some people hindi pa talaga equipped to do multitasking and yung mga follow-ups close out the game. That could be a possible reason kung bakit ganun yung naging galawan ni Milski sa game 2 nila ni Sisig. And of course, game 3 talagang na-outplay siya ni Sisig, no questions. No questions asked. Kaya habang ano pa, habang action, ngunguya lang ako konti.
Oo, yun nga yung sasabihin ko, kukuha ako ng ano, something to eat.
So, yeah. May action yan. But a few seconds or minutes of silence. Hingay pala ako dinner. Alright. Yung sinasabi ko, finally si Sisig correct yung scouting direction niya. And of course, makikita niya itong mindset kasi masyadong naka-right,
Alin?
masyadong naka-right side yung overlord ni Sisig. Hindi niya nakita tuloy if nandito si Milski.
Hindi nga.
Oo nga.
Wait lang. Ay, oo.
Okay.
Okay.
No? Lol. Pero makikita niya pag pinoward niya pero madadead sense sa ay nag-CC first? What? CC first si Milski, lol.
CC first, pero muntik na siya. Ah, no.
May kita.
Oh no.
May kita ni ano to eh, ni Sisig yung timing. Tracks. May kita rin ni Milski obviously. Overall. And sabi sumugal si Milski dito lang ya. The most crucial game of all games na magsusugal siya ng CC first. Dito
Easy
pa.
first.
Let's see if maisip ni CC capitalize yun. Buti hindi nag-4 si Sisig. Hindi rin siya hindi.
Ganito rin yung build niya kanina. Ganito rin.
Pero mukhang hindi siya early mastings eh. Look at that. Okay, ganyan na. Okay, tinago niya yung third hatchery.
Yep.
Ulitin
First
niya.
100 is speed.
Sabi niya, mag-bunker na si Milski. Ayan, nag-bunker. I like this bunker position. Honestly, gusto ko yung ginawa niya, nilagay niya dito para close sa ramp. Pwede ma-repair ng SCVs and pwede niyang ipang-block ng ramp.
Yep.
In my opinion, that's good. Kaya lang, here again with the premature sunken. Uy, Hydra, hala.
Wow. Player.
May mga fast lurker ito.
Yep. Pero kung speed links, mamamatay siya dito. Well,
Kung kayang i-block yung mga SCV sa ramp.
Actually, kaya naman. Pero kailangan very attentive sa
Oo.
attentive si Milski. And may scanner agad. So, sakto na yung scanner. Milski nagbayo, no? Kasi si first nagbayo. Ngayon nagbabayo siya. Interesting. So, kailan nag-lurker naman si Sisig tsaka siya nagbayo. Yes, no, hindi na okay sana eh. Like, mech against fast lurker. That could have been an easy game actually. Actually, sabi nga ng mga Terrans, no, at least yung nabasa ko, nag-hydro opener yung Zerg, easy game kaysa mag-Milta. Yung sabi nila, at mine. Pero mahirap pa rin eh. In my opinion.
Dahil sa lurkers. Mukhang may plano tong tatlong Hydralisk na to kung saan pupunta to.
Yeah. Gusto kaya, ba't nilalayo ni Sisig? To drop?
Oo nga.
Ang layo naman.
Layo nga.
Ninja base? Not sure. Weird ng movement. Isip ko kung gusto niya mag-drop, would have been close by. Malapit din sa mga edges ng base ni Milski para maka-drop. Yun ang balak na. Probably intentional or na-misclick yung hatchery. Nag-rally doon.
At nakarally talaga sila doon. What? Okay. Hindi, para tago. Para hindi ma-scout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lurkers. Okay. Oh no.
Kanino ni Sisig naiisip
Oo.
Actually, very, very smart move. Okay, gets ko na. Guess it makes sense. Pero ako medyo ilalapit-lapit ko konti sa base nila. Delikado si Milski dito eh. Wala pang turrets.
Wala. Oh
pero may
no.
scan. Let's see it, lurkers. This is gonna be scary. I guess tinatago talaga ng Sisig. Nihintay siguro mag-move on. Dapat Milski should have a hunch already. What's up? Nako po!
Alako po!
Dapat iba niya pa!
Ay, wag! Wag! Galing! Fairness. Wow.
GG.
GG. Ay, gali.
Pangit ng timing niya. Pinatag yung bunker.
Wow! Hindi ko expect na si Milski hindi siya pumunta sa top 4 ah.
Yeah, GG. Sige,
GG. Iba talaga, iba.
hindi yan. Meron tayong magko-contest kay Unswa, si Sisig. The only person na nakatalo kay Unswa. And you know what? Semifinals, actually, kalaban ni Unswa would be Sisig. Inuuna niyang kalaban. So, congratulations, Sisig.
Wow, sa laro na
Oh,
yun.
your
Ganda
victory
na laro.
wasn't a fluke at all. Yuski talagang hindi siya prepared to fight Zerg again. Zerg, mas
Right.
malakas siya sa Protoss. And si Unswa rin eh. Talagang yun yung kailangan paghandaan match up. But yeah, GG well played. That concludes our Tito Gaming round robin. We have our top 4 up on spot. Unswa, Terran, Cruz, Protoss, top 3, Indeo, top 4, CC, third. Congratulations to our top 4 and GG well played. Lahat ng
Sabi
participate.
ni Milski, saan nagdaan yun? Yun nga. Galing,
Yun.
ang galing ng pagdadaan.
Very smart. Actually, si Sisig.
Very smart.
Na-impress ako sa ginawa ni Sisig. Hindi ko akalain. Hindi ko expect mga moves si Sisig. Totally. Pero yeah, really amazed. May mga ganung moves si Sisig. Kasi hindi ko nakikita sa sa mga regular games natin. But now, it's really shining. Congrats to Sisig for making it up for. Yan na guys. At ako'y dinner na rin. Finally, makaka-rest after 7 days.
Sige, pahinga ka muna. Paghapon kaya lang nagsasalita.
Yeah, and thank you everyone for
Well,
supporting.
thank you so much.
Thank you
Para
rin
sa
sa inyo.
effort mo.
So yeah, see you around. See you next week. Magpo-post ako sa FB page, SCPH Happy Penguin, and also my YouTube tayo for replays uploaded soon. Also SCPH Happy Penguin. So yeah, any last words? Anything sabihin sa audience?
Any last words? Ayun nga, thanks for tuning in. Ayun, rock on. And roll.
Right. See you around. Bye.
Alright, bye-bye.